Welcome Freedom Hero. This is a perfect day to go through a list of 11 simple and powerful lead generation tips that will help you to get more leads for your business. My name is István Bújdosó and this is the 47 Marketing Show. Let's get started. Tip number 1, choose the right source of traffic. Find out where your ideal leads hang around the most on the internet. Are these Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, or any other platforms? Be active on those platforms, give value to your target audience, help them. This way you can build trust in them, they get to know you, like you, and trust you more. And then direct people from the warmer audience into your funnel. This way you will get more leads than if you would try to convert cold traffic. It makes sense, right? Okay, tip number 2, know your target audience really well. Finding out where your target audience hangs around the most is one thing. The other thing is to get them to leave that social media or any platforms. Obviously, they hang around there because they get some sort of value on that platform and they are in their comfort zone there. Knowing your target audience really well helps you to communicate with them the right way that shows them it is worth leaving their comfort zone and checking out the value that you offer. Okay, tip number 3, use social proof for driving more and better traffic. One of the ways to show people that's worth visiting your funnel is using social proof. Social proof can be likes, shares, positive comments on Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, and other platforms. Also, when somebody recommends your funnel to their existing warm audience, that is social proof as well. All these ways not only help you to get your target audience visit your funnel, that traffic will be warmer traffic that is easier to turn into more leads, which is exciting, isn't it? Okay, the next tips will focus on your landing page in your lead generation. Tip number 4, have consistency with your traffic source. Just imagine that you are reading an interesting post on Facebook. It tells you to click on a link to find out how you can get consistent hot traffic to your website in 2 weeks. You get excited, you click on the link on the page that opens. The headline says something like, double your leads in 14 days. Would that be a bit confusing? You clicked on a link to learn about traffic generation and you are facing a double your sales message. What do you think confused people do in that case? Yes, they most likely leave the page and never turn into leads. So make sure that the last thing people see before they click on your link to visit your funnel and the first thing that they see on your landing page is consistent with each other. This way you are providing a smooth and clear transition for your potential leads and can increase the number of leads you get. Are you following this so far? Okay, tip number 5, keep it simple and make them super curious. Your landing page has one and only one purpose: to make your visitors so curious that they give you their email address to find out more. The more curious they are, the more likely they will turn into your leads. That makes sense, right? One of the huge mistakes that a lot of people make is that they create a complex landing page trying to share loads of information with their visitors in one go. It is proven that more info lowers the level of curiosity in people, and that is less leads for you. To get more leads, keep your landing page short and simple and use a headline that builds a lot of curiosity. Tip number 6, use social proof on your landing page as well. 2 types of social proof work well on landing pages to increase conversion rates and get you more leads. One of them is real short, curiosity creating reviews like, I love this ebook, it doubled our lead generation in a week, and similar ones like that. They don't reveal much, at the same time they increase curiosity. And the other type is showing that other people opted into your email list to get more info recently. When people see that others already have done done what they are about to do, they will more likely to take action. Can you see how social proof on your landing page can help you to get more leads? Okay, it's time for us to move on to the tips in the optimization area. Here they are. Tip number 7, get excited about optimization. In an ideal world, everything would work perfectly well for the first time. The truth is that no matter how much time you spend with lead generation, there is always a space for optimization. Get excited about it because it can get you a lot more leads and lower your costs significantly. Sometimes one simple optimization can double or triple the amount of leads you get, which is really cool, don't you think? Tip number 8, be patient. Successful, consistent lead generation takes time, so be patient. Don't throw away a marketing strategy right after a couple of hours or days just because it didn't get you tens of thousands of leads yet. Keep adjusting and tweaking your lead generation till it brings you the results you want. Tip number 9, always do split testing. As I mentioned earlier, there is always space for optimization. Always split test your adverts, your landing page, other pages of your funnel, your emails, and other parts of your lead generation. Once you see which variation is working, keep the winner and create a new split test and try to make things work even better. This way you can find new ways to improve your lead generation and get more and more leads. Does this make sense? Okay, tip number 10, change only one thing at a time. For example, when you are optimizing your landing page and creating a new split test, if you change multiple things once, you won't know what is actually making things better or worse, and you can end up losing a lot of leads. So make sure you only have one difference between the two variations of your landing page, let's say the headline and nothing else. This way, you can keep track what's working, keep improving your lead generation. This tip not only applies to the optimization of your landing page, but to all parts of your lead generation. Tip number 11, the numbers will tell you the truth. Optimization without numbers is just a guesswork that won't get you the most leads. Always optimize based on the key numbers that they will tell you what's working and what's not working. Are you getting this? Okay, I hope you enjoyed this episode, but don't leave yet because I have one more bonus lead generation tip for you. If you want to generate leads without cold calling, get the amount of leads you want, or even if you just want to find the hot leads without wasting time on cold leads, then this is the most important message you will hear all year. And here's why. Because in today's business world, getting the right leads or not can mean the difference between growing your business or losing it. Let me tell you about the hybrid lead automation hacks that will walk you step by step through the entire proven process from start to finish. It will give you the exact blueprint you need to succeed in igniting your automated lead generation in as little as 15 days without cold calling. This proven process is so simple that you can do it even if you have never done anything like this before, and you can start right now by visiting 47funnelsecrets.com. The first time I implemented this process, it 20x'd our lead generation in 3 months on autopilot, which is amazing, right? Besides that, this proven process already helped hundreds of entrepreneurs like you to automate their lead generation, and you can be the next one. Just go to 47funnelsecrets.com and get started now. Hey, are you still here? You know, every minute you wait is another lead you miss who will just go to your competitor. So take action now and ignite your automated lead generation. Just go to 47funnelsecrets.com and get started now.